The Malaysian Timber Council (MTC) visited IOI Palm Wood Sdn Bhd on 23 January 2024 in Segamat, Johor. This is part of the Council's Factory Transformation Programme (FTP), which aims to empower timber companies in enhancing their manufacturing capabilities through the strategic application of Green 5S and Lean Management principles. The visit was led by the Industry Development and Transformation Division (IDTD) Director Ms. Lau Liha, who was joined by IDTD Senior Manager Ms. Adeline Goh and Senior Executive Ms. Wong Mei Kwan. Since its inception in 2021, the FTP has witnessed encouraging outcomes in participating companies. These successes are a testament to the tangible impacts achieved through the program, affirming the FTP's effectiveness in driving positive change within the industry. We extend an open invitation to companies seeking to embark on a transformative journey with us. For more details, contact Ms. Adeline Goh at 9281-1999 or email adeline@mtc.com.my.